In today's video, we'll go through the topics related to the grammar part for ISC children. Instead of going blindly and thinking do as directed means a specific, very special term, we should simplify that one. Do as directed is not anything special. It's just the combination of those old things we have already learned. So we'll make a detailed study of those things later, but in this video we'll make one classification, or you can make one simplification of the topics which we have for this very class. So this is going to be a short video, shorter than normal, but very essential one. And what you should do, you should keep your pen and copy ready to write down the things to be displayed on the screen. So go through this video, finding any doubt to let me know. Thank you. So first we'll go through verbs and tenses. This is very important. So what will you do for this one? We'll do a thorough chapter of verbs, that means auxiliary, modals. Further we'll make our learning related to this one, transitive, intransitive. Though these are this all we have completed before, but we will do it again. We'll further go for this very topic, finite and non-finite. Okay, so all these things we need to do once. Next, what will you do? That is conditional clauses. And for this one, what will we do? We'll go through this chapter, phrases and clauses. To know phrase and clause, we have to know conjunction, subject, predicate, and obviously object. So we have to understand these parts. Next, so conjunction is vital part here. We have to go through that one. Next, we'll start this chapter, sentence types, structures. Here we'll go through simple, compound, complex sentences in the easiest way that we can. The next thing that we'll study, there is the degree of comparison. And while go through that one, we'll totally complete this very part, 2 chapters of adjectives and adverbs. And the thorough study of these 2 chapters will help us to understand the lesson properly. So we'll go through this one very properly with great attention. Next, we'll study the chapter reported speech. That means we'll go through the chapter direct and indirect speech. We'll make valid assessment of that one, and we'll try to solve each and every topic in this zone. Then we'll have active and passive voice. We know these things very properly, but this class, what will we do? We'll try to solve those topics, those questions which are little harder. Nothing is harder, yet I am telling that harder than normal. So we'll go through those things, as well as we'll go through the basics of that one, active and passive voice. Now again we'll have another chapter, that is sentence, clause, structure, type and conversion. So here we have to convert, and we have to do this one very properly. Simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and compound complex sentence. Further, we have to know about the conversion from noun to verb or from verb to noun, or noun to adjective, or adjectives to noun, or from adjectives to verbs, or vice versa. So it will be very important chapter, that conversion of sentences. Question may be given like, the flowers are really beautiful. You have to write this one using beauty. That means what you are doing, you are using noun. So the flowers are really thing of beauty. And our very common chapter, there is prepositional phrases or phrasal verbs. That is very, very important. We are already aware of this one, and hope we'll have no problem in doing that one. So prepositional phrases we have to do very carefully, and proper practice is needed for that one. You will be provided with study material as well as worksheets for the simplification of this very chapter. So this thing we'll do properly, and along with this one we'll go through other grammatical issues and chapters which are related to IC. Nothing extra is required for this class, because already we are aware of all the basic things. We'll just remind those basic things, as well as we will have some extensive practice, and that will bring the perfection. So go through this video, finding your doubt to let me know. Thank you very much.